We have to mention that every one of the 114 chapters or surahs of the Quran, save one, starts with a sacred formula. And we all know that formula. It is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, except the 9th surah, which is Surah Tawbah. Although we find again in Surah Naml, which is Surah 27, verse 30, where Allah Ta'ala says, and teaching us the words of Bilqis when she received a letter, she said, Innahu min Sulaiman. This letter, it is from Sulaiman. Wa innahu, and it contains Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It contains the phrase or the wording, in the name of Allah, most compassionate, most merciful. Now here we find that Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim was not new to this ummah, but known thousands of years ago, before the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is like an intrinsic, natural way of being, that things start in the name of compassion and love and mercy. So this, the fact that practically every chapter in the Quran begins with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim further indicates the connection between the divine name Allah and Rahmah. There's an intrinsic connection here with Allah, Rahman, and Rahim, with mercy. Before we even define love, the etymological root of the word, the Arabic word for love, is hub, the basic word, hub, ha-ba. And hub comes from the word hab, interestingly. And hab means seed. So it implies that a seed falls into the ground, grows, and then brings forth a new and beautiful plant. Allah Ta'ala makes clear in the Quran a parable where He says in Surah Baqarah, Surah 2, verse 261, مَثَلُ الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. The parable or likeliness of those who expend or share what they have of their wealth in the path of Allah Ta'ala, كَمَثَلِ حَبَّةٍ, is the likeliness of a habba, a seed or a grain. أَنْبَتَتْ سَبَعَ سَنَابِلَ فِي كُلِّ سُنْبُلَةٍ مِئَةُ حَبَّةٍ, that sprouts 7 ears, acres, in every ear, a 100 grains. وَاللَّهُ يُضَاعِفُ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَاللَّهُ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ. And Allah يُضَاعِفُ, multiplies for whom He wills. For Allah is wasi'un alim. He is vast and all-embracing in what He knows, in His knowledge. So love is like a seed from which comes forth a plant, which Allah Ta'ala multiplies as He so wills, for whom He so wills. And the classical scholars of the Arabic language affirmed that this is the lexical root of the word hub, love, but have also mentioned other roots from which the word might be derived. So let's go on right away to a classical definition by Imam Ghazali rahimahullah ta'ala and others of the word love, hope.